Leaders and members of People's Democratic Party (PDP) Ward 11, Etsako West Local Government Area of Edo State, where Edo State No. 2 citizen come from, don't agree and endorse Deputy Governor Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu to run for the upcoming 2024 Edo governorship election. The leaders host Oga Shaibu for the award meeting for PDP Ward 11 Etsako West Local Government, where the chairman Honorable Igbafe Agbonoga confirmed Deputy Governor level of acceptability among him people and party members. The chairman Honorable Igbafe Agbonoga talk say dem don agree say Philip Shaibu must run for 2024 Edo governorship election, as dem know say im go make big difference if dem elect am as the next governor of Edo State, and say dem agree on the ideology of the deputy governor, practicality in governance during im tenure as member of Edo State House of Assembly and National Assembly respectively. Honorable Igbafe talk say Ward 11 PDP members and leadership, after dem don sit down chukai wella for the antecedents and capacity of deputy governor, dem don decide to endorse and support am to run and win the Edo 2024 governorship election, as the deputy governor na the most credible and qualified person for Edo 2024. As Edo State no need any politician but man with the best interest of the state for heart, na im make dem need the deputy governor to steer the ship of the state come 2024.
We made all that. Oh no, Baba. Not Baba, about your now. Oh no, Baba. Apema, my mere chair. I bought your now. Over now, oh, Paris, Pavasi, Castle of Baba, Legend to my family.
Make una not forget, say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Etsako West Local Government Area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.